This video tutorial is designed to equip you with the necessary skills to share your screen effortlessly during Google Meet sessions. Whether you're a teacher aiming to present engaging materials or a student eager to showcase your work, mastering screen sharing can enhance your learning and teaching experiences. Once signed in to a Google meeting, there will be three options to choose from to share your screen. Option 1 from a Chrome tab, Option 2 from a window, and Option 3 your entire screen. In order for you to understand the student perspective of how to share your screen, I have split my screen and I'm coming in on this side as the instructor and this side as the student. So with this in mind, let's look at the three ways in which we can share our screen. To begin with, I'm going to go down to the icon here that says Present Now, and I'm going to click on that. And we're going to go to the Chrome tab first. So these are all of the Chrome tabs that I have available to share. If I click on each one, you're going to see over to the right the image of each one of my tabs that I can choose to share. So for example, if I wanted to choose the new tab, I can go over to here and click on that and go down to share. And notice what it did here. It took me out of the Google Meet, and here's the tab up here for the Google Meet. So when I'm done sharing, I want to come back into that Google meeting. Okay, but now it's only from a student perspective. If you're only using one monitor, you're just seeing the Chrome tab that you have chosen to share. Now over here you can see on the instructor's side that the instructor is able to view the screen that you're sharing over here. Okay, so let's suppose now we wanted to stop sharing, so we would go back into the Google Classroom and we would choose Stop Presenting, or we may choose to go back down into the You Are Presenting icon and click on that, and we'll get a pop-up and it says Present Something Else or Stop Presenting. We're going to do Present Something Else, and there again our Chrome tab options come open again. And this time we might choose this particular tab to show. And again, the image shows up over here. And we're going to choose Share. Again, you can see that it took me from the student completely out of the Google Classroom meeting. But it projected my, it projected my tab over here to all of the other participants, including the instructor. Since this is a tab and not a window, if I were to go to another part of this particular document, like this presentation, and click it, it would not show over here to the participants, but I would be able to see it also. So because it's not a window, all right? So let's go ahead and close that. Now that we understand a little bit between what a window is and what a tab is, okay? All right. So to stop that, we want to come back into the classroom, join it again, and by clicking on the Classroom tab, and we want to do Stop Presenting, or there again, we can come down to where You Are Presenting icon and click on that and choose Stop Presenting. Okay, so that is how to share a tab. Now let's learn how to share a window. So we're going to go back to the Present Now tab, and we're going to click on that, and this time we're going to choose Windows. And so what's going to appear is all of the windows that we do have opened. Okay, all right, so let's say we want to go to this particular window and choose Share. There again, it will take you out of the main classroom or the Google Meet, and what you're going to see from the student side is just the window, and therefore the hyperlinks will not work. So there again, to close this, we're going to go back into our Google Meet and choose Stop Presenting. There again, we can go back down here to the You Are Presenting icon and also stop presenting that way also. Now let's suppose we wanted to share a different window, so we can go back in to the share window icon and go to the Windows tab. And this time we're going to choose this window and drop down and click Share. And there again, it will take us out of the Google Meet, but it will only show the screen or the window that you have chosen to share. And you can see it's being shared over here into the Google Meet for all others to view, including your instructor. Now let's go back into the Google Meeting, and we're going to choose Stop Presenting. And let's go back in, and let's see if we can pick up a document that you have opened from your Google Drive. So here's mine. There again, I'm going to click on it and go down and click on the Share button. Again, it's going to take you out of the Google Meet, and it's going to project your Google Doc window over here for others to view. This way you can make changes and type and make changes, and your teacher might tell you to do so, or whatever. You want to show others how to do something, and you could do it. Just type it in there, just like I did right here. Okay, so then once you are done with that, you will go back into the Google Meeting and choose Stop Presenting here, or again, you can go down to the Are You Presenting icon and click Stop. I'm going to go up here this time and choose Stop Presenting. Those are the directions to share a window. Now let's learn how to share the entire screen. So there again, we're going to go down to the Present Now icon and click on it, and the pop-up's going to appear for the Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. We're going to choose the entire screen. And when you choose to share your entire screen during a Google Meet session, you're especially allowing other participants to see everything that's displayed on your computer screen. This means that they can view not only the specific application or window you intend to share, but also any other open windows, tabs, or content visible on your screen at that time. As you can see, I have two options available at the entire screen. I can choose my desktop by clicking on that and choose Share. And my desktop is being uploaded, and it's out there to share for others to see. And you can see it took me out of the Google Meeting, although I can see my desktop, which means that I can navigate to different parts to different windows within my computer. I can go to my Google Classroom, and let's say the teacher wants us to open up a particular assignment that they have given us. So we could go into that classroom by clicking on the Classroom tab and go into the Drive or to the Classwork. Go to the Classwork tab and scroll down. You can see my cursor. You can go ahead and open it up, and let's say this is your assignment here that you completed, and you want to show it to your teacher or to the other students within your classroom. And you can click on it, and it will open it up. And you can put it in presentation mode for others to view by clicking on Slideshow. And there it is in presentation mode. You can also choose to go to the desktop. And there again, we can navigate to a Word document that we want to show that we already have open. We can close that down, cancel. I'm just going to drop it down. Or we can actually go into a file that we want to share. And we could go into wherever it is that you want to share and what it is. You can click on that. And you can open it up. And there you can share it for others to view. Taking a bit for it to pull up. And there we go. There again, we can close it down. Or let's say we wanted to open up a PowerPoint. We can go down to the PowerPoint tab and click it. And there's our PowerPoint. Again, we can put it in presentation mode and go through our slides. When we're done with that, we can close it out. Wait a bit. I'm going to go to Stop Presenting, which will bring me back into the Google meeting. In all, I find the Share Entire Screen the best feature over the Chrome tab or Windows Share Screen feature. The Share Entire Screen option, as you may have noticed, is useful for presenting slideshows, demonstrating software or websites, collaborating on documents, or any other scenario where you want others to see exactly what you're seeing on your screen. This feature makes navigation from one window or tab much more understandable and easy to navigate. If you're interested in more details or have specific questions about Google Meet's screen sharing feature, feel free to contact me via my email address as art.fisher@centigleska.edu.